Today we are making classic French chocolate mousse, a whipped, gluten-free dessert. This recipe serves 6 people and the prep time is 25 minutes, plus 2 hours to chill. Let us get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, chopped for easy melting. 3 large eggs, separated into yolks and whites. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten and stabilize the mousse. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aroma. 1 pinch of fine sea salt to balance the sweetness. 1 cup of cold heavy cream to whip to soft peaks. 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate shavings for a simple garnish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Place a heat-proof glass bowl over a small saucepan of barely simmering water. Add 6 ounces of chopped bittersweet chocolate, melt gently while stirring until smooth, then remove from heat and let it cool for 10 minutes. Separate the 3 large eggs. Put the yolks in a medium mixing bowl and the whites in a clean large bowl. Whisk the yolks with 1/3 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the short grain rice under cold water until it runs mostly clear, then drain it well. Add the drained rice and 1 cup of water to a medium saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer until the rice is very soft, about 12 to 15 minutes. Melt 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter until liquid, about 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave. In a medium bowl, mix 6½ ounces of crushed biscuits with the melted butter until every crumb is moistened. Transfer the crumb mixture to the springform pan and press firmly with the back of a spoon to make an even crust. Refrigerate for 10 minutes while you make the filling. In a small heat-proof bowl, sprinkle 2 teaspoons of powdered gelatin over 3 tablespoons of cold water, and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Microwave the bloomed gelatin until fully dissolved, about 10 to 15 seconds. Let it cool for 2 minutes so it is warm but not hot. In a large bowl, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese with 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until smooth and free of lumps. Add 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the bowl, and mix until creamy and well combined. In another bowl, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream to soft peaks. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture with a spatula until it is fully blended and airy. Whisk 3 tablespoons of the batter into the dissolved gelatin, then pour the gelatin mixture into the main bowl while mixing so it is evenly distributed. Scoop about 1 cup of the batter into a small bowl and whisk in 3 teaspoons of sifted matcha powder until smooth and vivid green. Pour the plain batter over the chilled crust in the springform pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Spoon the matcha batter on top in several dollops, then swirl a marbled pattern with a skewer or a chopstick. Tap the pan a few times to release air bubbles, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours until fully set. Release the springform ring, peel away the parchment, dust the top with a pinch of matcha if you like, slice with a warm knife, and serve chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked the snow-baked cheesecake, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.